Wow, you really move your feet, don't you? Do a little dancing? Are you telling a story through dance? Really? That's a good story. Yeah, look at that foot movement. Yeah, you really got it down, kid. What? Yeah. Yeah. Tell me another story. What? Once upon a time. There was a little frog. Really? And then what happened? Oh, he ran away? He climbed up the stairs. He climbed a tree, that's what it is. Yeah. Yeah, and then what? He chopped down the beanstalk? Oh, I was hoping for a happy ending. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Well, we should probably stop now then. Yeah. You all done with story time? Yeah. Okay, well. Okay, that's enough. You're okay now. Yeah. That was a good story. Yeah, that was a good story. Maybe we can continue this another day. Can you? Yeah? Oh, yes.